Hello traders, and welcome to the NinjaTrader Indicator Warehouse. Today we're going to talk about the time zone background indicator. We've recently enhanced this indicator, so there are a few new items for those of you that already have this. This will allow you to configure 3 separate time periods. You can also configure the color, opacity, start and stop times, as well as audio alerts at those times. So depending upon your trading plan and strategy, you might only trade specific times of the day. You might also trade different strategies at those times. And it's this indicator that will serve as a constant reminder or warning of what zone you're in and where in that zone you are. Yes, we do now give you an audio alert telling you to pay attention, but it's really the constant visual reminder that helps you stick to the strategy you've already defined for a particular time zone. So understanding where you are and what you want to do is paramount to maintain trading discipline throughout the day. The FMMA indicator seen in this video manual is not part of the actual time zone indicator. This was only used to illustrate the points covered in the video demonstration better. Let's take a look at the time zone indicator now. Here we have a zone already highlighted with green. So maybe you like to trade the open, or you don't like to trade during the lunch hour. Regardless, you can configure the background to call out whatever particular zone that you're interested in. So here we have the 9:50 to 11:15 zone, or the first morning reversal. If we move ahead in the chart, we can see that this is configured in yellow, and this happens to be the lunch hour. So if you follow Marsh Jones' teachings, you already know that there's very specific strategies for specific zones throughout the day. Now, other systems will absolutely not allow you to trade the lunch hour. Others will. So really, this depends upon your particular trading style and system. If we move ahead again, we have the final zone plotted after the lunch hour, where essentially it's green here, so we're back to work and we're trading again. So let's take a look at how to configure all this. The first step we're going to do is we're going to go to our chart, right-click, look for indicator. Here we have our parameters box. We'll highlight the indicator. We'll go to the parameter section, scroll down. We have here 3 different periods that we can configure. You can configure the color, the duration, the opacity, the start time, and audio alerts. So let's say, as an example, we have a news event coming up tomorrow and we don't want to trade the morning session. So we can go up here and easily change the color to red because we don't want to trade that period. We can change the duration. So here we're going to say 2-hour period, and we're going to change the time. Please note that the time is all calculated in military time. We'll keep the lunch hour the same as yellow. We might want to trade that. And then we'll also keep the final period in green, and we won't make any changes there with the exception of extending that period just a little bit. So let's go ahead and apply our changes now and take a look at what we have. So I'm also going to change our time frame to the 5-minute. This way we can see more on the screen. So here we have that first morning session. We have that 9 to 11 period. Okay, here's the news event, and you can see the market react to that. And then we have sort of a lot of disagreement here on price, a lot of volatility, and then all of a sudden we have everything coming together and converging, which to me looks like a great possible entry point. And of course, as you can see, this is, and we've got some great trending lines upwards. So the time zone indicator is a great way to set trading zones throughout the day and helps you stick to your plan and maintain trading discipline. And remember, whether you are day trading the E-mini S&P, other futures contracts, or Forex, Indicator Warehouse will help you get more profit from your online trading and technical analysis efforts. Thank you for joining us.